kicking off 2012.
Here it is already on a cold note, on a dry note too, after those wonderful 6 weeks that we had of rainfall here in Central Texas. The pattern has certainly changed. Tonight, skies are clear. Live look downtown at a chilly night in the area of the Paramount Theater, where our downtown cam there is located. 44 degrees on the thermometer right now, but we're going to drop about another 12 or so between now and sunrise. We're expecting right at freezing here in Austin. Rural locations going to fall into the 20s in the morning, including some Austin suburbs. By noon, though, tomorrow, back up to 55, and then our high tomorrow, not too far from average, around 62, but even warmer weather expected as we go through the rest of this week. It's already down at 36 in Fredericksburg and 37 in Llano. You'll certainly see freezing temperatures in the morning. 35 there at Marble Falls and the Horseshoe Bay area, actually just west of Marble Falls there where that thermometer is located. 37 in San Marcos, 41 up in Round Rock. Georgetown down to 34. You'll drop into the 20s tonight. 37 down in Lockhart, 42 in Bastrop, 43 in Smithville. Austin again is 44. The airport is down to 36 already. Skies are clear. There is very little wind. No wind at ABIA. A north-northeasterly wind at 3 at Camp Mabry. In the pollen count today, Mole was medium and Cedar was down. Had a count of a couple of thousand yesterday, but only 105 today. So that's much better news. Around the state, it's kind of chilly from north to south. 33 in Amarillo, 35 in Abilene. San Angelo is already down to freezing. 52 over there in the Houston area. No clouds anywhere in Texas right now. The stormy weather, and it is snowy weather coming off the Great Lakes tonight in that Great Lakes snow belt there from coastal sections up in northern Ohio into upstate New York, where they may get 10 inches, maybe a foot of snow in some of the higher totals. That is because the jet stream's taking a big dip there, and that flow is blowing across the lake. It's also blowing in some very cold air tonight. 6 degrees up there in Fargo, 19 right now in Chicago, but really it's the first taste of winter for much of that area. It's been unusually dry in terms of snowfall. In fact, in some locations, an all-time record slow start to the snow season up there. But they're not complaining, especially after last winter. And look at this. This is our forecast now for the entire month of January. We're anticipating that warmer than normal weather will continue to be the rule from Texas to the plains and across the Great Lakes. Unfortunately for us, we're also in that area where it should be drier than normal in January, over into the southwest and the southeastern U.S., much the same. That's kind of what we would anticipate in a La Nina winter, where that water out there in the Pacific Ocean is colder than average. It generally results in dry weather for the southern U.S. We were just real lucky in the late fall and early winter to get the rain that we did get. Between now and Wednesday, not much change. It's going to be cold again tonight, early in the morning, but a little warming trend will get underway tomorrow afternoon. That'll take us to the rest of the week. Little, if any, rain in sight. I did put a 20% chance in the forecast 1 week from today, as a storm system will move across the state at that time, but it's not going to have a lot of moisture to work with right now, so we're not sure it's going to rain. We are sure that it's going to be cold when you wake up in the morning. Just about everywhere below freezing, and 20s again in many locations. Then tomorrow afternoon, not too bad. A south wind returns, should take us at least to the low 60s. Tonight in Austin, let's go 32, light winds, clear skies. Tomorrow, let's go 62, sunny skies, south-southwest winds return. And that will result in some milder mornings for the rest of the week. Warmer afternoons, too. Mid-60s on Thursday. We're thinking 70 degrees by Friday. Next weekend doesn't look too bad. We'll have a front come in between Saturday and Sunday that'll cool it down a little bit and give us a slight chance of rain on Monday. Well, over on KXAN in the morning, make sure you start your day with us. We start at 4:30 a.m. with weather and traffic every 10 minutes.